Let me tell you a quick story. A brilliant engineering student once walked into an interview room, excellent marks, strong technical skills, multiple certifications, even a good internship experience. Everything looked perfect on paper. The interview started well, but then suddenly the interviewer asked just one question. Tell me about a time when you handled a difficult situation. And within seconds, the student froze. He knew the answer in his mind, but he did not know how to present it. He started speaking randomly, jumped from one point to another, repeated the same ideas, and lost confidence midway. And the interviewer simply said, "All right, thank you." The interview ended. It was all over. Dear students, can you tell me why this student was rejected? Let me tell you. He was not rejected because he lacked talent. He was rejected because he lacked structure and did not know how to answer behavioral interview questions. Hello everyone, this is 𝗏𝗂𝗵𝗃𝗏, your interview coach from the training division of KIET Deemed to be University. And in this video, I will show you one of the most powerful interview technique to answer behavioral interview questions, and it is called the STAR technique. This simple STAR has helped thousands of candidates crack interviews successfully. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's jump straight into the presentation. Let me start by discussing why do interviewers ask behavioral questions. In most HR interviews, interviewers are not only interested in your marks, certifications, projects, or internship, but also want to understand other critical areas like how you think, how you react or respond under pressure, do you have problem-solving skills, and lastly, your ability to handle challenges. In order to assess these important areas, they ask behavioral questions like, tell me about a challenge you faced, describe a situation where you worked in a team, tell me about a conflict you handled, describe a situation where you showed leadership. These questions are designed to evaluate your real-life behavior, and the best way to answer these questions, dear students, is by using the STAR technique. Therefore, what is the STAR technique? STAR is a simple but extremely powerful framework that helps you give structured, professional, and convincing answers. STAR is an acronym where S stands for situation, T means task, A stands for action, and lastly, R means the result. Let us understand each step carefully. The first step is S, which is situation. Here you explain the background or context of the story. You briefly answer questions like, where were you? What was happening? What was the situation? And keep it short, specific, and clear. For example, you could say, during my final year engineering project, a team of 4 students was working on a machine learning based prediction system. Simple, clear, and professional. This immediately sets the context for the interviewer. Next comes T, which stands for task. Here, you explain what was your responsibility, what challenges were needed to be solved, and lastly, what problem were you facing. For example, you could say, 2 weeks before the project submission, we realized that our model accuracy was extremely low and the team was struggling to fix the issue. Do you notice something important here? You have clearly identified the problem, and that makes your answer more believable and structured. Now, we come to the most important part of the answer, that is A, which stands for action. Here you must explain what actions did you personally take, that is, the interviewer wants to know your contribution. For example, the answer could be, I analyzed the data set and discovered that the data was not properly cleaned. I divided the tasks among team members, handled the pre-processing myself, and implemented feature selection technique to improve the model. Now, this answer demonstrates 1. Problem-solving ability, 2. Your leadership skill, then your ability to take initiative, 4. Your technical understanding, and lastly, team coordination. This is exactly what recruiters want to hear. Finally, R, which means result. This is where you explain the outcome. What happened because of your actions? For example, you could say, after implementing these changes, our model accuracy improved from 62% to 87%, and our project was rated among the top projects in the department. Now, your answer sounds complete, professional, and impactful. Now let me show you a complete answer using the STAR technique. And the question is, tell me about a time when you solved a problem. The complete answer would be like this. During my final year BTech project, our team was building a machine learning model to predict customer dropout. 2 weeks before the final submission, we discovered that our model accuracy was very low. My responsibility was to improve the model's performance. After analyzing the data set, I realized that the data required better pre-processing and feature selection. I cleaned the data set, removed irrelevant variables, implemented feature engineering techniques, and coordinated with my teammates to retrain the model. As a result, our model accuracy improved from 60% to 88%, and our project received appreciation from the faculty panel. Do you notice how structured, logical, and convincing this answer sounds? And this is the power of the STAR technique. So, before your next interview, remember the STAR, and you will surely shine like a star. So go ahead and prepare at least 3 to 4 strong STAR stories from your projects, internship, college activities, teamwork situations, and challenges you have overcome, because sometimes just one powerful story can be a game changer. Thank you for watching, dear students. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interview tips. Keep learning, keep smiling, and most importantly, believe in yourself. And best of luck for your interviews.